Hey, this is Lance at the My First Son's Warehouse, and just for a few minutes we're going to show you the new items for 2021. We've organized on the table basically nozzles are in this region. We've got the new pumps, we've got new batteries, new external chargers, new valve handles, and here's the new 14-foot telescope. These are the new spray cones, spray shields, coiled hose, hose connections, and then we'll show you the mini hand truck. Okay, for disinfecting, we now sell a 20 micron nozzle. It's a 3-head system, and these threads are the M14s, and they fit on the ends of all of our wands, and they can be adapted to our pistols. That's been popular. We also have a 50 micron double head plastic nozzle for more corrosive materials. And then we're starting to sell the flat fan jet separately. We also have this, more recently we have these stainless steel. They're normally for high pressure washers, but we've now offered them for the M4. Okay, we've now got a variety of fan tips. We sell them as a kit of 4, and these are stainless steel high pressure quick release. And they're also sold in conjunction with, we sell them in addition to with the M14 thread to 1/4 inch quick release adapter. And so we're just showing how this can go on the end of the brass wand, quick connect. And the angles go from 0 to, I believe, 90 degrees. We also wanted to show that we sell these quick releases independently, these brass quick releases. One has the M18 thread, the other one has the M14. The M18 fits on the end of the pistols, and the M14 fits on the ends of the wands. We also sell multi-nozzles. This one's a 5-head and this one's a 6-head. And they offer a shower, 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, and this is a composite version. It's a little bit lighter weight. The stainless steel is heavier. It comes with 6 heads, and it comes with a soap applicator, 0, 15, 25, 40, rinse, plunger, and soap. They also come with the quick releases. These are the M18s standard. You can always buy an extra M14 to go on the end of the wand, but for now we sell them uniquely with the M18 to go on the end of the pistol. Okay, a lot of people use T-jet nozzles, and so we've got this 3/8 NPT a nozzle adapter that fits, it screws onto our M14s. In addition to that, some of the T-jets can be accommodated by the quick release 1/4 inch system. Okay, we just started selling this 100 PSI pump. It has higher flow and higher shutoff pressure. It requires a little bit more power, so your battery life isn't as good, but people enjoy the higher output and the higher pressure from that. We also have a bilge pump, and we use this bilge pump in the recirculation, the agitator kit. We either sell this as independent with all of the other connections that you need, or we can install this at the factory. It takes an extra couple of days. Okay, we're excited to start using these Euro connectors. We used them beginning in 2021. We're starting to use them inside the M4 to connect. There's 4 circuits. These are double-sided access from the wires, and you can screw them down with just a slightly smaller than average flathead screwdriver. So we're going to start selling these on their own as well. Okay, lithium-ion has been a request, and so we now have a new lithium-ion battery, 12 volt, 12 amp hour. This is 144 watt hours, quite a bit of power. It's 50% more amp hours than our normal 8 amp hour battery. This comes with the charger. You've got to use the charger uniquely with this battery. It's lighter, of course. We also have a new high temperature range battery. This is 0 degrees to 150 Fahrenheit, negative 40 C to 70 C. It's a little bit less amp hours, 7.2 amp hours, but it's very robust in high temperature use. Okay, because of all the requests for external chargers, we now offer this blue external charger, and all you need is the box that connects to the battery. And box, you just plug in your existing 3-prong connector from the standard charger, which is pretty handy. The other type of external charger we have is dedicated to, you have connections directly to the output of the charger, and basically just slip these plus and minus slip-on connectors to your battery. Make sure you don't cross these because that will permanently damage your charger. Okay, we've started selling this high pressure handle. It's very ergonomic. It does basically what the stainless steel pistol offers. The output threads on this are M18, so you don't need an adapter. We also are starting to sell these ergonomic plastic. I believe that's a nylon material with a short handle in case that's your preference. And then of course we've got the 14-foot wand telescope that's extremely popular if you need to shoot a fine mist at a long distance away. And this is the collapse length. We now offer a 7-inch diameter spray shield cone. It's got a stainless connection, M14 connection that connects on the end of your wand. And it also has a flow rate adjustment right here at the head. Additionally, we offer the green rectangular shaped spray shield with it's got a single fan. Okay, in case you're getting into confined areas like an automotive application or maybe underneath the house, and you need the longer hose, but you can't be worrying about hose management. This coiled hose has been very good. It's got the quick release on one end, and then you screw your valve or your pistol onto the other end. And then we just wanted to show we have a new inline nylon valve for high corrosion resistance. And we've got brass and plastic T's and Y connectors. And I'm just showing this brass has already been out there. We've offered this, but just wanted to compare that with the other hose connectors. All right, last but surely not least is the flat folding cart. It's a super heavy duty steel with a ultra high performance paint. With all the carts, we ship standard with a cart pocket. We wanted to show how the cart pocket, even in the folded condition, works out fine with the folding cart. This is in the folded position. We'll show how that unfolds. Just hit the yellow button. So now this is in the ready state. Of course, we sell this by itself. It always comes with the cart pocket. But we also can sell it with the M4 as a platinum bundle. So just open it up. There you go.